Well, so normally you get Jesse saying, "Hey guys, I'm back with another grocery haul," but Jesse had surgery, so you get a surprise. I'm gonna do it. So we stopped at Gordon Food Service, and got a 2-pack of French onion soup, some battered mozzarella sticks, some battered mushrooms, because I wanted them. We had a couple substitutions, or no, one substitution from Walmart. They substituted our hot pepper cheese that they actually had for regular pepper cheese, so we got a free package of cheese. And then we got the cheese singles. We got Black Forest ham. There are 2 of the Great Value frozen pizzas there, a 3-meat and a supreme, a 12-pack of Coke. We got the Checkers famous fries, some bananas, got my Dove Men Care bar soap, a couple loaves of bread, some Great Value potato chips, and behind that we have the 32-pack of beef burger patties. Got the boys some Fruit Loops for breakfasts or snacks. We got our donut shop coffee that we cannot do without. We needed more canola spray for the air fryer that works wonderful. Some C-size batteries. Don't know if I covered the bananas, but we did get those. We have 2 of my original coffee creamers and 1 for Jesse, the Italian sweet cream, all by Great Value. We got some Great Value Twist and Shout cookies, also some chocolate chip. We got 2 packages of Great Value hamburger buns and a gallon of milk. That's it for the grocery pickup / grocery haul. We'll see you next time.